Welcome back to my new video. A lot of engineers ask me questions in the comment section. So later you see me replying, video coming soon. Yes, I am not actually sleeping. I am actually working tirelessly to make sure I do the video, right? Okay, so today's video, I want to answer a question somebody asked me. So that is why I do this video, because I want to answer that question that person actually asked me, right? Okay, so today video I want to solve this problem. So this is a Nokia phone, right? One of my customer brought this phone to me and she told me that this phone is not working, and I asked her what is the problem, and she said that whenever she is making call, nobody is hearing whatsoever she is saying. And I told her, don't worry, I know the problem, it is mic issue. And she told me, how much is it? And I told her, don't worry, I will fix it for you. Okay, she gave me the phone and I started working on the phone. I opened the phone and I discovered that there is no mic inside the phone, right? I was like, wow, what happened? She said they removed it. And I said, okay, I'll start fixing it. So first of all, what I started doing it is to read to know where the problem comes from. Engineers, to solve this, first of all, I use my multimeter to read the mouthpiece line by placing the positive of my multimeter probe to the ground, then using my negative to test the negative of the mic, right? As you can see that my multimeter is not really giving me good reading. Okay, now it's reading perfectly. It's showing 7 something, which means that the negative is working. Engineers, for me to be sure that the negative is working, right? Okay, I'll place the positive of my multimeter probe to the ground of the mic while I place the negative of my multimeter probe to the ground, which is the main negative. Okay, now you can see that it is still giving me a reading, which means it's working. But testing the positive, right now I am testing the positive side of the mic, it is not reading. So the positive side of the mic is the problem. So for us to get this working, for us to fix this issue, okay, we need to open the heatsink. Check this out. You need to take time to do this. Engineers, if you're not professional, I recommend you use a Rework station for you to remove this perfectly. Check this out. Remove it using Rework station, right? Engineers, right here we have 2 black IC. The one that is near the battery connector, it is the network IC, while the one that is in this other side, that is in the right hand side of me, it is called the CPU, right? Okay, for us to work this out, we need to do a jumper. Let me show you something, right? We need to do a jumper. Check this out. So this is the positive line. Have you seen? So this is how the line goes. So what you're going to do here is for you to follow the lines, right? You need to follow the lines, right? So the line will take you to a resistor, right? The line will take you to a resistor, right? Okay, what you're going to do is for you to use your multimeter to actually read the resistor, right? Okay, so let me do a reading now. I want to confirm something. Right here, as you can see, I test the positive and negative of the mic connection. Okay, so let me test this. Right now, I'm placing the positive of my multimeter probe to the mic positive. I'm looking for that exactly black resistor. Okay, you can see that it's giving me a reading. I cannot find a straight line connection, which is the continuity. Okay, as you can see, I'm following the lines. So engineers, make sure you also follow. All these small buttons phone are very easy to repair. Okay, don't worry, I will finally find that capacitor. Check this out. I'll find that capacitor. I'll find the capacitor even without using multimeter, right? Okay, let me test now to be sure. Okay, you can see that that is exactly resistor. It is giving me a very low reading to show that is exactly resistor that is responsible. Check this out. Check this out. I'll find the continuity now. I've actually find the exactly continuity that is taking positive to the mic positive, right? Okay, have you seen? So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to do a jumper, right? I'm going to do a jumper, right? Okay, you may ask, Father Joe, why is it that you have actually find the black resistor and it is still connected but it's not working? Okay, there is open circuit. So for us to fix this issue, we need to use a jumper, right? I'm going to show you how you can use a jumper to fix this issue, right? Okay, so I will show you now how to use it. Just use a jumper, then connect it to where the mic positive is, and you're good to go, right? Like I said, this is because of what open circuit. This is because of what open circuit. The black resistor is still working, but there is an open circuit. There is an open circuit somewhere along the line, along the continuity line. There is open circuit, right? So what we are going to do now, we are going to use a jumper wire to actually do what? To bypass, to jump to where the black resistor is. From there, we connect it to the mic plus, right? And we are good to go. So let me do it. Right in my hands, you can see I'm with a wire and with a jumper wire. Do not forget, use a jumper wire. Use a jumper wire. A jumper wire are insulated, so make sure you apply lead to the surface. Apply lead. Make sure you apply lead a little. Okay, check this out. Check this out. So this is the black resistor. So I'm trying to connect it. Like I said, engineers, it is very easy for you to troubleshoot. This is troubleshooting. This is troubleshooting. For you to troubleshoot, it is very easy, right? If you know how to troubleshoot, there is no phone that you will not repair. There is no phone that you will not do what? Repair. It is very simple for you to troubleshoot. When you troubleshoot, you will know the problem. You will know, okay, this IC is the problem, this CPU is the problem, this and that is the problem, right? From there, you're good to go. Okay, I've connected the jumper wire. The next thing now is for me to use a glue. I'm going to use a super glue to hold the jumper wire, right? You need to do this so that the jumper wire will not shake and eventually cut off, right? You want to make sure that you're doing a great job, a good job for your customer, so that your customer will enjoy your services. Like I said, I always take time to do a good work for my customer because I want my customer to enjoy my services. So it's not all about rushing. It's all about taking your time to do a perfect work for your customer. Check this out. So I just apply a super glue to hold the jumper wire. Engineers, have in mind that this wire is insulated, so it's not going to connect to the ground. So do not worry about leakage, right? Okay, make sure that you take your time to do this. Arrange the wire very well. I'm going to show you how I do my own perfectly for my customer. Check this out. Like I said, a good engineer should know how to troubleshoot. Please, engineers, take time to learn how to troubleshoot. If you don't know, you want to learn how to troubleshoot, you can let me know and I will teach you how to troubleshoot, right? I will teach you how to troubleshoot. Like I said, to troubleshoot is using your multimeter to sit down, to find out, to test components to know which one is a problem, right? All this jumper issue, jumper this, jumper that, open circuit, is very easy to do them, right? Check the way I'm doing my own very perfectly. Check this out. Clean work. Check this out. Use glue to hold the wire to the phone panel steady. If you have questions, feel free to ask me in the comment section. Have in mind that all your questions, whenever you see me responding, video coming soon, have in mind that I'm actually working on the video. The video will soon be available, right? Okay, for those of you requesting for the iPhone videos, have in mind that I'm still working on the iPhone videos, iPhone hardware, how to solve issues, mic issues, IC issues, reboiling, and a whole lot of things. I'm still working on the videos. Very soon the video will be out. So I'm still working on the videos, right? Okay. If you have questions, feel free to let me know in the comment section. If you have questions about any phone issues, feel free to let me know in the comment section. Please, if you're just watching me for the first time, this is the first time that you just come across my video on this channel, please, for you to support me, please subscribe to my channel, follow me on Facebook, make sure you share my video, comment, let me know what you think about this video. I'll be very happy to see your comments. I'll be very happy to see you sharing this content. Thank you so much. Okay, right here you can see I'm almost done. Check this out, I'm almost done. So I'm going to put a new mic. So right here, check this out, check what I just done right now. Check what I just done right now. Okay, for me to make this work perfectly cleaned, nice work, so I connect it to the resistor, right? To the resistor that is going to the mic plus. Have you seen? Very clean work, very clean work. Have you seen? So I'll put a little glue there. The next thing now is for me to cover the heat sink. The next thing now is for me to do what? To cover the heat sink. Before I cover the heat sink, I will apply a little glue. Listen to me. Before I cover the heat sink, I will apply a little glue to hold the heat sink before I now apply lid, and I'm good to go. Okay, the main reason why I want to apply a little glue so that the glue will hold the heat sink. Yes, because if you hold the heat sink with your hand and you're trying to apply lid, the heat will be too much and you will not be able to hold it, right? So this is one of the best methods that you can do, and you fix it very simple. If you have your rework station, you can use it. Very simple. If you have rework station, there's no need for you to put glue if you have it, or if you still want to put it, you can still put it so that you can do a perfect work, right? Okay, just put a little glue just to hold the heat sink. Feel free to drop your question in the comment section. If you have, feel free to drop it for me. If you want me to correct anything, or you have watched my video many times and discovered some errors, feel free to let me know in the comment section. You're always welcome. Okay, check this out. Okay, the next thing is for me to bring lead and my soldering iron.
So for me to do this, engineers, if you try using this,
like I said, engineers, I do not rush my videos. I take time to do because I want everybody to understand. If you're a novice, apprentice, don't worry, this video will help you. You learn how to do it very simple, right? So check this out. Just apply lead and you're good to go. Make sure that your soldering iron is very hot so that the lead will melt and do whatsoever you want. Okay, take time to do this, engineers. If there's any error, take time to correct it. Do this, engineers, because you want to make sure that you don't have any problem later. You don't see your customer bringing the phone back telling you this and that, right? Okay, I'm done. So let me brush it.
Just need to brush it. All of these work are very simple work.
Let me brush it, engineers. Engineers, like I said, feel free to let me know any question that you have in the comment section. Feel free to let me know, please.
There's nothing to waste time.
Okay. Have you seen? I'm done. I'm done. I'm done.
Let me test it. Let me test using my multimeter.
Okay.
This is my multimeter.
The next thing now is for me to put the mic.
Let me check.
Okay, so let me bring the mic.
First of all, I
want to put mic now.
The continuity. Okay. It's reading continuity, and let me test now.
Okay, before I put the mic, let me test it.
You can see it's reading.
Okay, I'm testing it with my multimeter to be sure both the negative and the positive of the mic is reading perfectly without any error of reading. Okay, as you can see, it's giving me good reading.
So now let me put mouthpiece.
The good reading means it is working, it is connected. Engineers, the next thing now is for me to put the mic. Check this out. Let me bring a new universal mic. Let me bring a new universal mic now. Check this out. So this is a new universal mic. Have you seen? This is a new universal mic.
So for me to fix the map,
check this out.
Perfectly, this is what I will do. I'll first of all remove this black rubber.
Okay, so I'm not going to put the mic with this red and black wire, right? Because the wire is very big. So I'm going to remove it and use a jumper wire. Check this out. Take time to do this, engineers. I just remove the red one. The next thing now is for me to remove the black one. But before I remove the black one, let me use my jumper wire to do a jumper on one side first.
Make sure that I put lead.
Check this out. Make sure you apply lead to the surface of the jumper wire. Like I said, feel free to let me know if you have any question. Drop your question in the comment section. Maybe on my next video, I will do a video about your question. Check this out, engineers. I'm taking time to do it. And engineers, when you're doing this, let me quickly explain something. When you're removing the black and the red wire from the universal mouthpiece, please make sure that your iron is very, very hot. Whenever you apply the heat immediately to the wire, so that the lead will melt and you remove it immediately without time wasting, right? Because if you apply the iron to the leads on the mic for too long, you're going to spoil the mic, because if the heat is too much, it's going to do what? It's going to spoil the mic. So I recommend you do it fast, the way that you're seeing me. When you just put it, just remove it and you're good to go. So now I just connected the positive and negative. So the next thing now is for me to apply the lead on the surface of the wire. Check this out. Okay, I'm taking time to do this, engineers. Okay, so I want to connect now. Engineers, if you're a novice apprentice, you're just starting phone repairs, right? If you want to do this, make sure when you remove the red wire from the mouthpiece, notice the side that you just remove as the positive, right? Know the positive and the negative before you remove, so that you will not make mistake after soldering the jumper wires, right? Okay, check this out. I'm done. Check this out. So the next thing is for me to apply gum. Some people normally use tape. It's good if you use a nylon tape. Paper tape, it is not really recommendable, because paper tape contains a little amount of water, so the water can cause the mouthpiece to spoil after some weeks. So I recommend you use a glue like this.
Allow it to dry.
This is a screen glue, screen gum.
So engineer, so this is the mouthpiece now.
So allow it to dry small. The next thing is for you to do what? Put it on top.
Check it now.
Engineers, check this out.
Check it now. How is it?
Okay, you are done. Couple the phone for the owner. Give the owner to test. Your work is 100%. So let me know what you think in the comment section. See you in my next video. Bye bye for now.